Hello friends, these are your Bitcoin and crypto news updates. It looks like we are live, so I'm gonna hop right in. Bitcoin's price is down 0.5% on the day, but still up 8% on the week. We are experiencing a bit of a pullback from the recent all-time highs of over 60K we just had. Bitcoin's price is $56,646 today. And the fair value of Bitcoin, according to the Look into Bitcoin stock to flow model, as of today, March 16th, Tuesday, is around 52,500, 52,200 and 52,700, between those two. So we are still a bit overvalued, 56 to 52, just 4,000 or so, which is pretty close. The cycle repeats after having top is predicted to be around 648,000 as of today, and they are still predicting the end of October for that to occur. Not too many pullbacks in the near future that they're predicting, maybe down to 56 or so, but that might be the lowest anytime soon. A major pullback expected down to 64 by the end of May, potentially. And keep in mind, this cycle or this chart mirrors the previous cycles. So if this cycle is like the previous cycles, assuming everything that has happened up until now, then this is what we would see. But as we all know, every cycle is different, and so this one may not be super accurate. So keep that in mind. Market dominance, 61.8%. We keep an eye on this because if this falls, then the money is typically flowing from Bitcoin into other altcoins. And so you might want to be aware of that to be able to front run that if you want to make money in Ethereum or Cardano or other ones. Bitcoin treasuries, we do currently have still 6.5% of the total Bitcoin supply, currently valued at $77 billion, is stored in the treasuries of publicly traded companies that is held in Bitcoin. And there are currently 2,344,000 Bitcoin left to be mined, 900 new Bitcoin being mined per day, not too much change there. Over on the unrealized profit loss chart, we do have, with the recent pullback, an unrealized profit loss all the way down to 71%, which is good. That is bullish because the 75% is that danger threshold. Typically when we see sustained levels above 75% net unrealized profit loss, it indicates the end of a major run. For instance, back in 2013, that first peak of the double peak where we were over 75 for like a week or two, fell back, didn't peak again until like 6 months later, December of that year, when the unrealized profit loss again was over that 75 threshold. And the same happened in 2017, only at this point we got a lot closer several times. As you can see, almost 75, fell back for a while, back up to 70, fell back for a while, and then once we got over 75, that was the top of the bull market. So whether or not this chart is going to be accurate moving into the future, it is important to note that many people are using this chart, and so people will be assuming that this is what's going to happen. And if they assume that, it could become a sort of self-fulfilling prophecy is the word I was looking for. So last chart over here, we do have the pi cycle top indicator. This chart, when the 111 DMA and the 350 DMA times 2, that's daily moving average, times 2, cross, then it, within a 3-day accuracy, has predicted the peak of a run. So we saw this in 2013, the first half, where we had that double peak, and then it crossed again in 2013, the second half in December, and then again in 2017. And so this is another chart that we're keeping an eye on. Not as many people keep an eye on this one, so it maybe won't allow you to front run as much, or it would likely allow you to front run more than the net unrealized profit loss, just because so many people know about this one or that one, and this one is still fairly new. So I think that pretty much covers it for today. Been kind of busy, so I'm not gonna really ramble on, and I'm not on TikTok right now. so I don't have all 4 audience members that ask questions on TikTok. And I see 1 person. So if you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the questions chat box. Questions. I put them in there. So we'll see. If no questions, I'm going to call it and sign off. Thank you so much for joining me. Not seeing any questions, and I think I've given it a minute, so the stream should have caught up. So thank you. I will be signing off now. I appreciate you sticking with me. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe if you have not done so. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.